All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Scott Berdahl. He is the CEO of Snowline Gold. And Scott, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Thanks, Steve. Good to see you too.
So we're talking about Rogue once again, and this is your bulk tonnage project, and you've announced 2 more drill holes, assays from those. So in line pretty well with you saw the last group of drill holes as well. Is that fair to say?
That's fair to say. Yeah, these are kind of coming at the system from a different angle, though. These were drilled specifically to test the sheeted veining, as opposed to the first 2, which were kind of more looking at some structures that were running in a different direction. And so, now this is the real test of what the system is, and we couldn't be happier with the results that we've seen so far. We had over 1.5 grams per ton over about 125 meters. Those are fantastic grades for a bulk tonnage target, and that was starting from surface. So we've got a lot more to do to figure out the width of the system, and not to mention tracing it along its length as we explore this season.
Are there more drill holes coming from that particular area that you're talking about?
These are the final 2 from 2021, but of course the spring 2022 will see us starting on a lot more holes coming from that area based on these results.
Yeah. So what will you look for in 2022? What's sort of the focus of that drill program?
Well, that's one of a few drill programs that we'll have at least 2 drills going, one on Valley, one on our Jupiter target, a high grade target to the north. But at the Valley target, we'll be focusing on really building out this system. You can see it's a large geochemical footprint. There are other interesting areas on the intrusion, and so really starting to kind of build an idea of the real scale of this thing, in addition to the continuity and the grades that we're seeing in the sheeted veins.
Yeah. Scott, I wanted to ask you a bit about, we've talked about Anderson in the past and Rogue as your 2 flagship. Will they, in essence, in the future, you're hoping them to work together as a unit, and one provide sort of the main and then the other the bulk tonnage? Is that kind of the idea?
That's the overarching idea, is that we're in a part of the Yukon that just hasn't seen any exploration, and it's very prospective for a lot of different deposit types. But certainly, if we find one big deposit in that area, the rest become a lot more viable in terms of CapEx costs starting up out there, and that sort of a thing. So yeah, I mean, if you can share the load between different projects moving forward, then certainly they all become a lot more viable.
All right. Well, we'll leave it there. Well, these sound like pretty good numbers. Congratulations on them once again. And we look forward to talking again real soon.
Thanks a lot, Steve. Take care.
All right. You as well. There's Scott Berdahl, the CEO of Snowline Gold.